Hello guys and welcome back to the Soumya Blueprint. Today we are going to dive deep into a topic that's going to completely change how people perceive you. We're discussing habits of a high value woman. And no, this is not moisturize your skin and drink water kind of an advice. You've heard this on the internet a million times, I believe. I'm about to share habits that create an invisible magnetism around you. The kind that makes people wonder what your secret is, remember your name weeks later, and even lean in while you talk. So grab your pen and paper and let's get into the video. Let's start with something that's completely unconventional, the art of strategic mystery. And no, I'm not talking about being secretive or playing games. This is about an understanding that scarcity creates intrigue. High-value women do not overshare the entire story in the first conversation. They share enough to connect but leave some questions unanswered. So when somebody asks you how your weekend was, instead of giving a detailed itinerary, just say that I had the most incredible experience. It completely changed my thought on something that I was thinking about. Here's the psychology. Our brain is wired to fill in the gaps. So when you leave space for imagination, people become more invested in getting to know you. They're not bored because they already know everything about you. In fact, they are invested because there's always another layer to peel. The key is being selectively mysterious about your experiences and thoughts and not basic facts. We're trying to create intrigue and not confusion. The second habit is something that I call energy auditing, and it's my secret weapon. So every week, I audit where my energy goes and who gets to access it. When I'm journaling, I ask myself, which conversations this week left me feeling drained? Which people take more than they give? And which activities made me feel more expansive versus contracted? High-value women are incredibly protective of their energy because they know that it's their most valuable resource. You cannot pour from an empty cup and you cannot maintain your magnetism if you're constantly feeling depleted. Here's what most people don't realize, that energy is contagious. When you're selective about your energy investments, you naturally become more magnetic, more present, and infinitely attractive. People feel your fullness and they want to be around you. So start tracking your energy investments like you track your finances. And you'll be shocked how much you've been giving away unconsciously. Now let's talk about a habit that will transform every conversation that you have with people. And that is authentic curiosity. Most people are waiting for their turn to speak, but high-value women, they are genuinely interested in getting to know others. But here's the distinction. It's not about asking surface-level questions like, hey, how are you? How was the day? No. It's about asking questions that reveal someone's inner world. Questions like, what's been lighting you up lately? What's been challenging you to grow these days? What is it that you believed in last year that you just don't believe in now? When you're genuinely curious about people's thoughts, dreams, and perspective, something magical happens. They feel seen, they feel heard, and in a world where everybody is distracted and surface level, your words become rare and attractive. The neuroscience to back this up is when people truly feel heard, they release oxytocin in their brain, which is a bonding hormone. They literally become associated with the good feelings in their mind. The next one might sound a little odd, but hear me out. Intellectual sensuality. This is about being turned on by ideas and growth and meaningful conversations. It's about having opinions that are thoughtfully formed and being excited about learning. High-value women read books that challenge them. They listen to podcasts that expand their thinking. They discuss philosophy at dinner and quantum physics at lunch. Not to show off, but because they genuinely find these ideas intoxicating. There's something incredibly magnetic about a woman who lights up while discussing consciousness, or who gets excited about explaining a concept that she just learned. Intelligence paired with enthusiasm is a combination that makes people stop in their tracks. But this isn't about being pretentious or using big words to impress people. It's about cultivating a genuine fascination about the world around you. When your mind is constantly growing, you become endlessly interesting. Now let's talk about elegant boundaries. Now we have talked about boundaries in our previous videos, but that's how important they are. Elegant boundaries are not walls, they're art forms. They are about communicating our limits with such grace and clarity that people instantly respect them. Instead of saying an aggressive no, high value women go for elevated redirection. So when somebody asks you to do something that doesn't align with your energy, instead of saying no, you can say, that sounds really important to you. And you want to honor that by being honest. I'm not the right person for this right now. Do you get that? Instead of hurting people by simply saying no, you are gracefully refusing to be a part of it. This is what happens when you set your boundaries gracefully. People don't feel rejected, instead, they feel respected. They understand that your yes means something because your no holds integrity. The most attractive women I know never compromise on their core values for anyone. Yet they do it with such warmth and grace that people admire them for it. Your boundaries are a reflection of your self-worth. When you hold them upright, people mirror the same respect back to you. Next up is your morning identity ritual. Now, this may sound very simple, but it's actually very transformative. So, every morning when you wake up, before checking your phone or interacting with the world, consciously choose who you want to be that day. This is a practice that I consciously have incorporated in my daily life. I stand in front of the mirror and I talk to myself. I set the tone for who I want to be today. So you can do that too. You can stand in front of the mirror and say, today I choose to be the person who speaks with confidence. I choose to be someone who trusts her intuition completely. Or I choose to be someone who lights up every room that she steps in. Now, there is science behind it. This isn't just positive thinking or fake affirmations. No, this is intentional identity programming. You are priming your subconscious to show up as the version of yourself that is aligned and magnetic. The science behind this is fascinating. So your subconscious mind can't distinguish between imagination and reality. So when you consistently rehearse being confident, poised, magnetic, your brain automatically generates behaviors that match that identity. Most people react to their day, but high value women create a day that's beautiful from inside out. Next up, mastering the art of presence. In this hyper-connected world, the rarest gift you can give to someone is your complete presence. And high value women have mastered the art of being fully where they are. When they're in conversation, they put their phone away. When they're eating, they appreciate their food. And when they're walking, they don't plan for the next 5 moves. This level of presence is so rare that it's magnetic. People can actually feel whether you're completely present in a conversation or mentally somewhere else while talking to them. Your presence communicates that this moment, this person, and this experience is important to you. So I practice what I call micro meditation. So before entering a new space, what I do is I take 3 deep breaths, center myself, and focus on being fully present in that moment. And I can tell you it's a game changer. When you're truly present, you naturally become more responsive, more intuitive, and more attractive. You're not trying to fake presence, you're embodying it. A final habit for this video is strategic vulnerability. And this is where most people get it wrong, so pay attention. Vulnerability is not oversharing your trauma or dumping your problems on anyone. Strategic vulnerability is about sharing your growth edges and your real struggles with someone in order to invite connection and not rescue. So instead of saying, I'm such a mess, I don't know what to do, say, I'm trying to navigate something that's challenging me to grow right now. Instead of saying, I hate myself, say, I'm really learning to be more compassionate with myself these days. High value women understand that perfect people are boring and intimidating. But people who are clearly working on themselves, who can acknowledge their humanity while maintaining their dignity, that's attractive. The key is sharing from a place of growth and self-awareness and not from a place that seeks validation and fixing. You are letting people see your authentic self without holding them responsible for your emotional well-being. So my beautiful, beautiful people, these habits are not about changing who you are. It's about revealing who you always have been. They're about removing those layers of conditioning and people pleasing that dim your magnetism. So here's a challenge for you guys. Pick one of the habits that you most resonate with and commit to it for the next 2 weeks. Master one habit before the another and let me know in the comments which of these worked for you. It's about knowing your worth, protecting your energy, and showing up as your authentic self in a world that rewards pretense. If this video added value to your life, do show me love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I'm going to post more such videos that will help you tap into the best version of yourself. So stick around, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.